Hello everyone! Today, you will find out how to convert user stories into comprehensive test scenarios. All the examples we will discuss in this video will be shown on the example of Aqua, a test management tool with reusable test cases and AI features to streamline your project's testing process. Consider Aqua if these features meet your needs. Check out the link below for more details. Step 1. Define your primary and related requirements. We have generated some requirements using Aqua AI. Here you can see the main requirement of the top hierarchy. Below that, there are some dependent requirements or user stories. Aqua allows you to create, maintain, and visualize all dependencies and hierarchies between requirements, making them fully traceable with a single click. Step 2. Collect test cases that should cover the requirements from Step 1 and test the specified functionality. To define the scope of the testing and ensure all the specified requirements are covered by test cases, use your knowledge of the project, category, functionality, custom fields, or requirement branches. Step 3. Check that all your requirements are covered with test cases. Go to the main requirement, click Find the Dependencies, and select Requirements. This will show you the test requirements that are related to the primary requirement. Then you can select the filtered requirements, click Find Dependent, Test Cases. And now you see test cases connected to these user stories. After defining the requirements and related test cases, identify requirements not covered by test cases or where test cases are outdated. Write missing test cases or update existing ones. Step 4. Compile the test cases into a test scenario and reorganize according to the execution sequence, logic, and priorities. Select the test cases, click Add to Test Scenario, and create a new test scenario. Aqua provides a simple and user-friendly interface with many features. For example, you can reorganize test cases with drag and drop, use test data parameterization, or connect different sets of test data to cover more possible cases. Reuse test cases. Select the value sets. Make changes to the test case configuration within the test scenario. Aqua also offers the possibility of a more customized run dependency configuration, where you can set a specific sequence of test case execution and detailed dependencies. For end-to-end testing, this allows you to see if the previous steps are correct before executing the next step. It's also possible to add the configuration of the test execution. Step 5. Link the created test scenario to your requirement from Step 1. Aqua allows you to store and visualize the dependency not only between requirements and test cases, but also between requirements and full-fledged test scenarios. So, to keep the data current, we link the newly created test scenario to the main requirement. And now it's covered not by a test case, but by a test scenario. This will save us from additional searches or data updates during the next execution of Step 1. If you're looking for ways to supercharge your testing process, we've got just the thing for you. Aqua will always offer new and innovative solutions, allowing you to reduce the time spent on routine testing tasks by up to 70% and giving you the space to focus on what's really important. Get started with your account today and see for yourself.